This is Mark Tobias with Security Labs with Tobias Blues Manus. We're going to make some brief comments about this Remington trigger lock in the context of the Allen and Bell lock trigger locks. These are also sold by Dick's Sporting Goods around the country. The good news is these have different keys. They're not keyed alike for all their stores in the country. This is a double-bitted key. It's not a great lock, but it's sufficient. The problem is that these can be pried off of a weapon. We have a 38 Colt. Toby, let's put this on. You want to take a new one, put it on the weapon, and it can be twisted, unfortunately, off the weapon. So this is brand new out of the box, out of the packaging. Okay. So it's the same kind of ratchet mechanism that everybody in the industry uses. Okay, make sure you're in the shot. Okay. So it's attached to the weapon, so theoretically the weapon is essentially immobilized. So Toby, go ahead and twist it off. And it's apart. This is a better lock, better locking mechanism, but the ratchet mechanism is still the problem. So consumer be warned with all of these. There's no free lunch in security, and that's it. This is Mark Tobias and Tobias Blues Manus with Security Labs.